In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in Excel. We'll start right inside Excel. Click into the cell where you want the link, then right-click and choose link. In some versions, this is labeled hyperlink, but it opens the same window. You'll see options to link to a file on your computer, a website, or a location in this workbook. I'll show you each of these so you know exactly when to use which and how to set them up cleanly. Let's begin with linking to a file. In the link window, make sure the option for an existing file or web page is selected. Browse through your folders, pick the document you need, and press OK. The cell now becomes clickable, and when you select it, Excel will open that file using the default app on your computer. If you want the text to look cleaner, you can type a descriptive phrase in the cell, like Open Project Plan, instead of showing the file name. One quick tip: if you later move or rename the file, the link can break, so try to keep linked files in a stable location. Next, let's link to a website. Open the link window the same way by right-clicking the cell and choosing link. In the address field at the bottom, type or paste the full web address, including the HTTP prefix, then click OK. The cell now opens that page in your default browser. Keep your link text meaningful for readability and avoid including any personal or sensitive information in the display text or the URL, especially if you plan to share this workbook. Finally, let's link to another sheet in the workbook. Again, right-click the cell and choose link. This time, select the option to place the link in this document. You'll see a list of your sheets. Choose the sheet you want to jump to, and if needed, specify a cell reference such as A1 to land on a specific spot. Click OK, and now that cell acts like a navigation button within your file. This is great for building a table of contents or creating quick jumps between summary and detail tabs. To wrap up, the flow is simple. Select a cell, right-click it, choose link, and then pick the destination type, file, website, or another sheet before confirming with OK. Test each link after you create it to make sure it opens where you expect. Save your workbook to keep your changes, and you're ready to work faster and more confidently with hyperlinks in Excel.